Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of some stuff that I got from Tennis Express. I got some stuff from the new Nike tennis collection for the French Open. So, show you that. This one's a hoodie. And then I got a few other things I'll show you. And then these are the matching shorts that go with it. So Tennis Express, I really like ordering from them. Like right now, Nike doesn't have this on their website, so it was cool to get it from Tennis Express. I'll just show you what it looks like real quick. Open it up. I don't think I'd wear like the shorts and the top at the same time, but yeah. Open this up. So this hoodie looks really cool. This is really different. I'm assuming this is for like the clay. It just looks really cool. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I have a couple of these Nike court hoodies. They're like a dry fit, so they're really good for playing in. But they're also just really decent quality for just wearing around. So I really like them, and I like this pattern. I think it looks really cool. So I'm excited that I was able to get this. And then I also went ahead and just got some wristbands, some green wristbands. They were on sale. I like using these. And then a new headband. I don't have a white one. I figured it would be nice for summer. And the last thing, they gave me like a little goodie bag from Tennis Express. I think that's like a light, a pen, and then these notepads, which are actually really cool. I tend to use them on my desk. So yeah, and then the shorts, they're just shorts. It's the same design. And yeah, definitely like if you want to get this hoodie, I'd order it. It looks really cool. Glad to have it. And yeah, that's it. It's just a short video. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any comments or anything about these. Like I said, I have a couple of these hoodies in different colors, so it's probably my favorite hoodie that I have. All right, thanks guys. Bye.